The workflow editor allows creating new workflows from scratch or extending or adjusting existing workflows. Open the workflow editor via the Edit Workflow menu. The workflow editor consists of three areas: the center that contains the workflow itself and two sidebars on the left and right. In the center, we can rearrange the workflow tasks by dragging the blue title bars. Dragging on the white background allows panning in larger workflows. Use the mouse wheel and the control key to zoom in and out. The left sidebar contains the available task types that can be added to the workflow. Use the filter box to search for a specific task type and double-click or drag a task into the workflow. It automatically connects to the currently selected task if possible. Changing the connections between tasks is possible by dragging from the light area below the task's title bar. If multiple connections are possible, a dialog allows selecting the parameters that should be changed. For example, the Compare Snapshot task has two image inputs. Here we change one of them to refer to the Gauss-filtered image. The right sidebar allows configuring the currently selected task. Fixed parameters will use the same value every time. Parameters set to none are unused. Change it to output to connect to an output of a previous task. Temporarily hide the sidebars by clicking the small black triangles in the corner. Stop the workflow if you want to delete the task, and then click the Delete Task button. Clone a task to duplicate it. Use Clone with Followers to also duplicate the entire branch after the current task. Use Delete Task with Followers to delete an entire branch of tasks. The Copy button copies the current task configuration to the clipboard. Apply Config from Clipboard applies that copied configuration to another task. The small Switch to Runs text in the corner is a convenient way to open and switch between the Workflow Editor tab and the Workflow Runs tab of an active workflow. Renaming a task allows documenting your workflow and makes it easier to use. Input and output parameters can also be renamed using the small black triangle.